Just as mechanical keyboards captivate typists and gamers with their tactile precision and build quality, action cameras have become essential for adventurers, vloggers, and sports enthusiasts who demand durability, sharp imaging, and portability. Choosing the right camera means evaluating video resolution, frame rate, waterproofing.
List number 1. ODDV 4K 60 FPS 30 MP action camera with front LCD and touch rear screens. The ODDV 4K 60 FPS action camera delivers premium performance in a compact package, making it a favorite for adventurers and vloggers. Capable of shooting crisp 4K video at 60 frames per second and capturing 30 MP still images, it ensures exceptional detail, even in fast-moving action scenes. One standout feature is its dual-screen design, a front LCD for vlogging and selfies, paired with a responsive rear touchscreen for intuitive control. This makes it perfect for solo content creators who need framing flexibility. The electronic image stabilization smooths shaky footage, whether you're skiing, biking, or surfing. The ODDV also includes extensive waterproofing, allowing you to dive up to 30 meters with the included case. It comes bundled with useful accessories such as multiple mounts and batteries, extending shooting time for long adventures. Verdict: a feature-packed action camera with dual screens and advanced video quality, making it one of the best picks for vloggers and thrill seekers.
List number 2. Akaso Action Camera 4K 30 FPS Waterproof Camera 30-meter Underwater Ultra HD. The Akaso Action Camera offers a balance of affordability and performance. With 4K video at 30 FPS and a solid waterproof design that allows dives up to 30 meters, it's a great entry-level choice for water sports enthusiasts. Its wide-angle lens captures immersive shots, while electronic stabilization minimizes blurring in active scenes. The included waterproof housing ensures durability in rugged environments, whether you're snorkeling, kayaking, or hiking. What makes Akaso stand out is the value-packed accessory kit. It often comes with mounts, batteries, and a carrying case, saving you from buying extra separately. The menu system is straightforward, making it beginner-friendly while still offering advanced features like time-lapse and loop recording. Though it doesn't match the high frame rate of premium models, its performance is impressive for the price. For those seeking a dependable action camera without breaking the bank, it delivers excellent results.
List number 3. DJI Action Camera FHD 1080p with 32GB card, 98 feet, 30 meters underwater. The DJI Action Camera is an excellent starter option for those new to action videography. Recording at 1080p Full HD, it provides clear video for everyday adventures without overwhelming beginners with advanced settings. One major advantage is that it comes pre-packaged with a 32GB memory card, allowing you to start filming right away. The waterproof case ensures durability underwater, supporting depths up to 98 feet, 30 meters, making it suitable for snorkeling, swimming, and light diving. Its lightweight, compact design makes it easy to carry on trips. Despite its simplicity, it still includes useful modes like time-lapse, burst photo, and loop recording. Battery life is decent for casual use, and the included mounts enhance versatility for biking, skiing, or mounting on helmets. While it doesn't compete with 4K models in resolution, it's perfect for kids, beginners, or budget-conscious users who just want to capture fun memories. Verdict: a beginner-friendly FHD action camera that comes ready to use with a memory card, ideal for casual adventures and young first-time users.
List number 4. Action Camera 4K 60 FPS with touchscreen 20-megapixel waterproof camera. This 4K 60 FPS action camera offers an outstanding mix of performance and ease of use. Capable of recording ultra-clear video with a smooth 60 FPS refresh rate, it also captures 20-megapixel still photos, giving users professional-level clarity in both video and photography. The touchscreen interface makes navigation seamless, allowing quick adjustments to settings on the go. Built-in electronic stabilization ensures smooth footage, even during high-energy activities like mountain biking, surfing, or snowboarding. With waterproof capabilities up to 30 meters using the case, it's ideal for divers and swimmers. The included accessories, such as mounts, batteries, and a charger, extend its versatility, letting you adapt it to multiple environments. The combination of crisp video, responsive controls, and rugged design makes this camera a solid competitor to higher-end brands at a fraction of the price. Verdict: a powerful mid-range action camera with excellent 4K video, touchscreen controls, and dependable waterproofing. Great for adventurous users who want pro-level features affordably.
List number 5. IceFox i7 Action Camera 4K 60 FPS 30 megapixels with 2x 2150 mAh batteries. The IceFox i7 Action Camera is built for long adventures, combining high performance with extended battery life. It records 4K video at 60 FPS and captures 30 megapixel still images, offering crystal clear detail for both photos and videos. What sets it apart is the inclusion of two 2150 mAh batteries, significantly increasing recording time compared to standard models. This is especially valuable for travelers, vloggers, and sports enthusiasts who need extended shooting sessions. The IceFox i7 also includes advanced image stabilization, ensuring smooth and professional-looking footage even during intense activities. Waterproof up to 30 meters with the included housing, it's perfect for water sports, diving, and rugged outdoor use. Its accessory kit provides multiple mounts and a carrying case, giving you flexibility in filming styles. With its combination of high resolution, strong battery performance, and durability, it's a great all-around choice. Verdict: a long-lasting, high-resolution action camera ideal for adventurers who need extended recording time and top-tier video performance.